Welcome to the best day ever.
Scrutiny da pugnala care se le petale due se le va canto silvare. Cutare se le met, regar su ba col petale se le care. Tu bala co se le peto. Rapidore. Are? Scrivete cosa la cade pore. Hello, my name is Hans and this is
Nevaeh.
and today we're going to make
Tiger toes.
Tiger toes. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so tiger toes is such a fancy treat. What you do, we get yes, the bread, and then what is the next one?
Poopy mine.
Poopy man. The poopy mine?
And toilet bread.
And we got the toilet bread. So the poopy mite and the is the cheese. So we use the cheese,
Dad.
a Vegemite,
Dad.
and the bread. Very easy, very tasty.
Dad, stop. Wait. I think we should end the yucky stuff. That'll be gross. You don't want to hear that. No talking like Hans. Just normally like you. Oh, it's hard. Oh, I almost fell off. Hey Hans, can I have my dad back?
Alright, ready to make some tiger toast?
Okay. You also will.
Don't cut me.
Alright, so I'm going to be making some tiger toast with you. Let's do it. I need you to get out 4 pieces of bread. Go.
And whack it on the tray.
It says 4 piece.
Okay, well we can't fit on the 4th. So now we're going to put on some
Target toast.
Vegemite. Let's put that on. Oh, great work.
So what we've done so far is we've put the Vegemite on the bread. Next step is...
Putting on cheese.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, just put it on there.
Yeah,
Like that?
looks good.
Oh, get it. I got 2. Like close to it.
No, we have to do the little gaps.
Okay, a little
So it
gaps.
looks like stripes.
Okay, stripes.
Great job.
Great work. Now the next step is to put it under the grill. Let's do it. Tiger toes! Ow! That was hot. Are you ready to eat? There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
And that is all for that episode, ladies and gentlemen. How was your tiger toast?
Very good, thanks.
That's good. Keep an eye out on the next vlog. It is coming up very shortly. We are heading to Wollonga for some beer festival thing. So keep an eye out. That one should be pretty interesting. See ya.